that we know how to use a Punnett square, let's try to examine what exactly happened when Mendel self-pollinated the F2 generation. First of all, he split them into 3 different groups. The first group had the 25% of the yellow seeds that had the Y factors. The second group had the 50% of the yellow seeds that had Y and y factors. The third group had the 25% of the remaining green seeds with the y factors. So, on self-pollinating the first group, obviously he got 100% of yellow colored seeds. When he self-pollinated the second group, he got 75% of yellow seeded plants and 25% of green seeded plants. And when he self-pollinated the third group, again he got all green colored seeds. Now, Mendel also used some contrasting characters. For example, besides being yellow or green, peas could also be rounded or wrinkled. So, to denote rounded seeds, he used capital R as it was the dominant trait, and to denote wrinkled seeds, he used small r as it was the recessive factor. So, these were all the possible combinations that could occur. You could have rounded yellow seeds, wrinkled yellow seeds, rounded green seeds, wrinkled green seeds. Now, you could also calculate the phenotype and the genotype of these by making the Punnett square. Of course, it could get a little complicated, but if you enjoy it, then why not? Mendel explained the process of inheritance of more than one pair of characters. This came to be known as the law of independent assortments. Mendel also said that there will always be a dominant factor in a pair of closely related alleles, where the dominant factor will always be expressed in the F1 generation. This commonly came to be known as Mendel's law of dominance. And as we saw how offsprings get a character each from their parent, came to be known as the law of segregation. So what have we learned today? Well, today we saw how Mendel used some contrasting characters in the pea plant. We also learned about the law of independent assortments, Mendel's law of dominance, and also the law of segregation. So, until next time, happy learning!